Does organizing your house seem an endless task? Organizing your house is a very challenging task, and you might need improvement in the ways you arrange things inside your house. Welcome to Jensen's DIY. Here are 25 IKEA ideas to organize your home. 1. Have a terrible time finding for scissors, paintbrushes, or other stuff you need? Finding things will seem so difficult if you have a habit of putting things on the table or TV rack. To make searching easy for you, the hanging buckers is one ideal organization material to have. 2. If you want kitchen island kind of thing in your house, yet it's not suited to your budget, then you can go for an alternative. Why go for expensive ones when you can have the much cheaper item? The shelving units of IKEA made it possible for you to build your own kitchen island. Just a leg on it and you're done. 3. As you collect mails every day, it slowly piles up. If you don't have an organizing method for this, this will be an eyesore to your house. Instead of dropping it to anywhere you want, using different magazine holder as a mail rack will be best to sort it out. 4. Most of you usually used a round storage for fruits, but if you want to minimize kitchen spaces, you try to use IKEA's magazine holder for a change. You can go to a distinct yet attractive style, such as this type of fruit storage. 5. Coats and bags are just one of the causes of chaotic premises. Some have habits of putting these things down the chair, or just in a corner. The sight of unorganized clothes and bags is not pleasing. Providing a space for these things will make it look organized. You can add a hook, serving an entryway organizer. Check out the DIY instruction at the MomBot. 6. If maintaining an organized working station seems difficult for you, try some of the Razcog craft storage hacks for it. It keeps your everyday crafty belongings in place and order. 7. Train your children to contribute in organizing your home. Kids always want to play, and cleaning are usually left to you. Create changes by giving them a task. You can have an organizational chart for their everyday task. 8. Taking care of a baby needs extreme multitasking ability. That's why if you don't arrange the diapers and other baby necessities, you will be in trouble. Organizing the needs of your babies will keep your task easy. Utilize IKEA Razcog cart as diaper changing cart will be awesome. 9. Have proper shoe storage. When you went out and go to your house, where do you place your shoes? If your house has no proper shoe storage, that would be a messy problem. To keep things in order, the floating IKEA shelves would be a great addition. 10. Organize your kids' Lego. If your child is so fond of Lego, then you will need a Lego organizer. IKEA has a Tro-Fast Lego organizer that would put the Lego in order. It is a wise thing to do, and you can even put labels on this organizer. 11. Classify your desk documents. Are you annoyed every time you spend most of your time finding one document over piles of paper? Paperwork becomes very difficult when you fail to sort your papers properly. In this case, you need an IKEA magazine rack to classify your desk documents well. 12. Some of you may have varied rituals when taking a bath. And with that ritual, you will need extra rods for the things that you use. In this, IKEA shower rod would be an efficient thing. 13. It's in the kids' nature to be playful anywhere they are, and your car is not an exception. If you are on a trip with your kids, count on Flort Travel Caddy for an organized selection of toys and entertainment source for them. 14. Do you usually put your cleaning materials to the darkest corner of your house? Since you actually need them regularly, it's ideal if you give a proper spot in your house. Instead of putting them down anywhere, why not hang them instead from this IKEA nifty holes? 15. Your makeups are probably one of the unorganized things in your room. Want to keep brushing with style through a fashionable container? Make your room more sophisticated but also add more feminine touch with IKEA's Skewer plant pots, which are one nice makeup brush organizing container to have. 16. Are you one of the people who love to collect spices? Then you should have a method to arrange them already. If your cabinets offer insufficient space for it, the IKEA picture ledges can be one brilliant way of sorting your spices. 17. Do you have a stack of several nail polishes in your house, but you don't know where you should keep it? You can attach the Beck Vam Spice Rack of IKEA for a more sophisticated look. Since these nail polishes have several wonderful colors, it will add brilliant appeal to your house when you display it. 18. Sink is one part of your house that should be cleaned and sorted out properly. Since some of the important things are in there, you should maintain proper organization. With this, a type of utensil holder will optimize the space. 19. If you want a simpler and convenient way to design your house, then this IKEA ladder storage can give you a stylish inclusion to your home. You can store your magazines, combs, and other necessities. 20. Organizing your everyday notes. Having daily notes will have a positive impact on your everyday productivity. IKEA has Avskalid cork placemat, wherein you can custom fit it and made into stylish noteboard. This is one of the best ways to track things out. 21. If you just let every clothes in your closet arrange in a very typical way, you will run out of spaces for your other accessories and stuff. To maximize closet spaces, the hanger organizer will be one best idea. You can fill it with your other stuff, such as your bags. 22. If you have pets at home, it is important to have a storage organizer for their stuff. In this way, it will be easy for you to find that doggy stuff that you need. 23. Another great way to make your belongings fit your cabinet space is through the closet pegboards. This is one of the great closet hacks that would not just maximize your closet spaces, but also a very convenient thing to have. 24. Why stack your shimmering jewelry in a box when you can actually hang it? This is not boasting the elegant necklaces and other jewelry that you have. It's one way of sorting things and finding the right jewelry in an easy and fast way. 25. Cans of spices or other cooking ingredients put in a can will soon create a messy environment. To sort your pantry, the rolling drawers are one of the vital things to count on. This will keep every can or bottle in order. And that's all for now. What do you think about this episode? Please share your thoughts about this video in the comment section. For more decorating and organizing ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.